Hi, Anna from LEXIN here to unbox the LEXIN S3 Motorcycle Bluetooth speakers. Let's get right to it. So now that we have everything from the box laid out on the table, let's go ahead and see what each item is. First we have our antenna. It comes with a 3M adhesive tape on the bottom and also extends. Next we have our bushings. All of the necessary hardware, including the Allen wrench, the bar mounts, power cord, and zip ties. And then of course we have our speakers and the wiring harness. All right, now let's get it installed on our bike.